Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2014 Victory Cross Country Factory Custom with 38,299 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It features Arlen Ness mirrors, Kuriakin grips, Victory driver footboards, passenger foot pegs, and an LRS windshield. With its all-American attitude and plenty of power to back it up, the Cross Country Custom delivers a potent blend of performance and comfort. It's propelled by a 106 cubic inch V-twin motor that puts roughly 110 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. Power aside, it comes equipped with a multi-function stereo system with kicker speakers, cruise control, and anti-lock brakes. Weighing in at 765 pounds and sporting a low seat height of 26.3 inches, this bagger checks all of the big touring boxes. It's finished in a suede silver paint set with flames, which add to its aggressive styling. Our technician noticed when this bike is on its side stand, it's at an above average lean angle. However, the side stand is fully functional. We have also installed a new rear tire on this bike. This vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, and comes with a 90-day nationwide warranty. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.